Number 5. The elementary school bought 32 new computers for the classrooms. Each computer was on sale for $648. How much money did the school pay for all the computers? Okay, so let me think about this for a minute. We've got the school buying some computers, a lot of computers, like a classroom set, and each computer costs some money. So what we're wanting to know is how much money did the school pay for all of the computers? So again, this sounds like I'm going to be putting a lot of pieces of information together. Okay, let's go back and grab some details. We've got the school bought 32 new computers for the classroom. Each computer was on sale for $648. How much money did the school pay for all the computers? So at this time, I am going to make a window pane because we have a lot of information that we need to gather. Our question says, how much money did the school pay for all the computers? So we can just say, they paid blank. Keep it short and sweet. The information that we were given was 32 computers and $648. So we're keeping track of computers and money. Computers and money. So when I buy one computer, it cost me $648. When I buy 2 computers, that's another $648. 3 computers, $648. Oh my goodness. I do not want to have to keep doing this for 32 computers. So again, I'm thinking about this is something happening, repeating itself over and over and over again. And so that's the same quantity. These are equal pieces, and equal amounts means that I'm only going to be looking at this part of my chart. And when we're putting equal amounts together, that's joining equal sets. That's multiplication. So I'm going to label that joining equal sets. Multiply. So that's going to look like 648 times 32. Wow, that's a very large number. I'm going to go ahead and make a quick estimate though over here to the side and say, well, 648 is probably closer to 600. And 32 is closer to 30. And if I know 3 times 6 is 18, then I know 3 times 60 is 180. And 3 times 600 is 1,800. And 30 times 600 is 18,000. Now, since this is a little intimidating, I tell you what I'm going to do, boys and girls. I'm going to go ahead and make a range. Because I could say, well, that's close enough to 700. And this is about 30. And so I could make a range. And I could say, well, 3 times 7 is about 21. And 3 times 70 is 210. And 3 times 700 is 2,100. And 30 times 700 is 21,000. So here's what I'm thinking. My answer should be in this range. Because this is over 600. So that gives me a little bit of a cushion. And this is over 30. So I know it's going to be bigger than this. Right now, boys and girls, what you should do is you should get rid of answer choices that are not even close to our estimates. Do that now. Now what I want you to do is I want you to multiply this. And if you can multiply this, or you can multiply that, then you can definitely take it out one more number and do it here. If this is intimidating to you, remember what you learned in 4th grade. Decompose it. 600 plus 40 plus 8 gives you 648. And 30 and 2 gives you 32. You would be able to multiply these just like you did last year, and then you would be able to add up those partial products for a final answer. Happy solving!